Paying for apps you forget to cancel? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to stop all Google Play subscriptions quickly and easy. We start by opening the Google Play application, then press the profile menu in the top right corner, then select payment and subscription. Next, select subscription. Here you will usually see a list of all the applications you are currently subscribed to, and in this case I only subscribe to one application, the CapCut application, and it's currently still active until February 20, 2026, and I plan to not continue it anymore. I will cancel this subscription. Tap to see details, and at the bottom there will be two options, namely pause payment and cancel subscription. Here I will choose cancel subscription. Here you can choose the reason why you are canceling your subscription. And finally, you can just press cancel subscription in the bottom right corner. At this point, we have successfully canceled our subscription on Google Play. And by the way, after you cancel your subscription, you can still use this application with its subscription feature until the end of the subscription period.